And that's all I can hear. That's what I've been hearing. It does a little cycle like this, where it'll cut on like this and do this, make these noises and stuff, and it'll get to this point where it just stops. So I don't really understand what's going on. If you could just let me know and get back with me, bro. All right, peace. It still hasn't started back up yet.